Okay, class, we're going to go over 18 and 19 here. And notice the difference between 15, 16, and 17, where we're asking for a percent. Now we're looking for a number where the percentage of data is in a certain direction of that number. So we're going to get an answer that's either going to be one of these numbers that are in the box plot, 3, 6, 12, 16, or 21, depending on what percentage we're looking for. So let's start with the first one, 18. 18 is asking us for the percent of the data where there are the number, sorry, where 75% of the data is more than that number. Okay. So we need to look at 75% being above. Okay. So we start from the top and start to add up our percentages until we get to 75. And what percentages do we have? Well, each section is worth 25%, right? So if we're looking at the part that's above, we'll start here, 25%. Am I at 75 yet? No, so we add another 25%. 25 plus 25 is 50. We're not there yet, but if I add that third percentage, that's 75%, which means we land at what number? We start in this direction. We're heading that way, right? Because we're looking at the percentage above. This number here, 6, is the number that we fall on, right? I can check the reverse now. Like if I'm at 6, how much of a percentage is above 6? 25 plus 25 plus 25, that's 75. So my answer here, 6. Okay, so that's if I'm asking you to start from the above part, right? This is the next one. It's also more than. So we start at the top again. So let's start at the top, but we're getting to 50% now. So if we start here at the top, because it's more than, you're going to start by looking at the first section. That's 25%. We're not there yet. Another addition of 25 gets me to 50. So 25 plus 25 is 50. So what number did we land on? Right here at 12. And there you have it. One thing to note here, class, if we did 2 examples where it said more than, and we started at the top and then added from there, right? If the question is asking for a percent that's less than, we would start at the bottom and add from there, okay? So if it says I want the percent that's less than, we're looking at the bottom parts, the percentages that are below, so we would start, by adding percentages from the bottom, okay? So just pay attention to that, look for that wording when you're doing these questions.